A hot beef roll drenched in lots of gravy. Oh, it reminds me of my youth, and I'm going to show you my version. So we need to start with a beautiful gravy, and what I've got on here is an onion that I've finely sliced, a little butter and oil, and you want to cook it down until it's really caramelized like that. Now I'm going to add just a little flour because you need a thick gravy for this, and just with a whisk, we'll whisk that in. And we want to put this on a medium heat and cook off that flour. In the meantime, we'll make a stock. So 500 mils of hot water. To that, I'll add 1 beef stock cube. These ones have no artificial flavours or colours. It's got a really beefy flavour. It's also got enough seasoning, so you don't need to season it too much. So we'll just crumble it into the hot water, just like that. And with that whisk, I'm just going to dissolve that beef stock cube into the water. Now, we won't need all of this. We'll see how it goes. What we're looking for is the consistency of pure cream. So little by little, we're going to add our stock. Little splash. Keep whisking a little more. And we'll turn the heat down. And you just continue doing this as if you were making a bechamel. I'll add a splash more and a hint of Worcestershire sauce just for that deep colour. Fantastic. All right, I'll let that bubble away and we can prepare our roll. So just some classic bakery rolls. I'll cut that in half, straight down the centre. And even though there's a sauce here, you need a lot of salted butter and really coat the whole thing with butter. Other side. I'll top this with some beef. Now, I've just got some leftover roast beef. That's usually when I make this roll. And I've just cut it super fine. You don't want it to be chunky because as soon as you bite it, you want all of the flavours to come together. And don't be stingy on the beef. Really fill up that roll. Oh, looks good. We're going to place this in a little basket. Just let it sit upright. That is crucial because we need to pour on all this delicious beef gravy over the top. Look at that. A little naughty, totally worth it because it's going to be so yum. Now, just for a little zing and a little bit of heat, what I love, jalapenos. So we'll just scatter them over the top. If you've got some pickled jardiniere, which is onions, carrots, cauliflower, you could absolutely use that too. That's a fantastic crunch. But look, keeping it simple like that. So tasty.